What a doppelganger! A person who looks exactly like you, but is a completely different individual. In the world of chemistry, molecules have their own versions of this phenomenon. It's called isomerism, and it's the reason why a molecule can smell like sweet oranges or, well, like a skunk, even if it's made of the exact same atoms. Welcome to Simply Science, where we make complex ideas simple. Short musical interlude. So what are isomers? They're molecules that share the same chemical formula, the same number and type of atoms, but have different arrangements. Imagine you have a box of Legos. You can use the same set of blocks to build a car, a house, or a spaceship. In the same way, nature uses the same atomic building blocks to create vastly different molecules. There are two main types of isomers. The first are structural isomers. Here, the atoms are connected in a different order. Think of it like rearranging the letters in a word. Listen and silent use the same letters, but they're arranged differently and have completely different meanings. The same goes for molecules. For example, C4H10 can be butane, a long chain, or it can be isobutane, a branched chain. Butane boils at nearly 0 degrees Celsius, but isobutane, with the same atoms, boils at -12 degrees Celsius. That's a huge difference. The second type are stereoisomers. These are the true chemical twins. They have the same atoms connected in the same order, but they're arranged differently in three-dimensional space. Imagine your left and right hands. They're mirror images, but you can't perfectly superimpose one on the other. That's what stereoisomers are like. This might seem like a small detail, but in the world of biology, it can be a matter of life and death. A famous, tragic example is the drug thalidomide. In the 1950s, it was prescribed to pregnant women for morning sickness. One version of the thalidomide molecule was a safe sedative, but its mirror image, its evil twin, caused horrific birth defects. This heartbreaking incident showed the world just how critical it is to understand the three-dimensional shape of molecules. So, from the scent of a flower to the effectiveness of a drug, the arrangement of atoms, or isomerism, plays a crucial role. It's a powerful reminder that in chemistry, it's not just what you're made of, but how you're put together that truly matters. Outro music fades in.